it's Maria from J'adore le papier. Happy Ruby and PearlXO Tuesday. I'm here with my design team project, and I've created an ephemera box for a paper swap with Sarah of Crafty Paper Bits. So everything is either a box, wrapping, glassine bags, and or tab dividers. So I just collaged the cover because it's pretty old, but once you open it up inside, you've got a bunch of ephemera boxes. This one is my favorite. I actually printed to that box, and then I just wrapped other boxes that were pretty, but I wanted them to look a little more cohesive and prettier. So here I'm just showing you how it looks once the papers are stood up with their tabs up top. This box, I'm just showing a few charms inside, but what I did was I unglued it at the adhesive points and then laid it on a piece of paper before running it through my printer. It's about cardstock weight, so it was no problem at all. And then these other boxes just have a few gifts in them. For the flower seeds, that one, I'll be sure to list all of the digitals I used below, but I actually used rice paper just to give it that thinner but really matte look and easier to wrap with. This is just regular paper and or sticker paper that I used just to give the edges a nice finish. So here's the box as it was purchased. It's actually slightly embossed, but it's hard to see. That's why I decided to try to print it. I opened it up at the adhesive points, laid it down with my replaceable or repositionable glue onto a plain paper, ran it through the printer, and then re-glued it in those same spots. And I was really happy how it turned out. But just to warn you, because it's cardstock, if you have other printing, do that first, because I did have to clean and readjust my printer after running it. So I'll go ahead and play music for the rest of the video. You're basically going to see a lot of Heather's digitals made into paperclip tabs. So I just cut a slit in between each so that they could stand tall, so that if Sarah uses this as a project box, she can find different pieces of ephemera or fabrics, etc. But anyway, thanks for watching and supporting as usual, and I'll be sure to again list all the digitals below, and I'll make a few call outs on the screen. Thanks.